Welcome back to the C21 Atwood Update. On this week's episode, we'll be visiting with C21 Atwood broker Jeff Kaul.
And talking about the area's vibrant real estate market. Let's move.
Well, Jeff, welcome back. I understand that you have some mid-year statistics that we can go over here today.
Absolutely. We are at the mid-year point, and I've been talking now for weeks about how listings are, not plentiful.
Right.
They are still flat. Year to date, though, we are completely flat. For the whole MLS, there's exactly the same amount of listings taken first 6 months of last year as this year.
Oh, sure.
I could hardly believe that, but it is true. Closed sales, we are up about 7.5% year to date, MLS-wise.
Okay, so a little change.
Yep. Dollar volume, there's a biggie. Up 14.8% on dollar volume.
So that tells you that prices are on the increase.
On the increase. And that brings us to average sales price, up 12.2% MLS-wide. Just our Mankato market here, we're up about 8%. So that's telling me that we're having even a little bit of push to the outlying neighborhoods outside of Mankato.
Sure.
We have a shortage of stuff here.
Sure.
So, we got to spread ourselves out a little bit so those sales are up.
Sure.
Percent of original sales price obtained, we're up to 98%. So the average seller out there is only having to wheel and deal about 2% off their original sales price.
So those prices are already up to start with, and we're seeing that that's not overpriced necessarily. It's just a sign of the market if they're getting close to what they're asking from the get-go.
Correct.
Great.
You still have to be concerned about pricing your house, right?
Right.
You can't just stick any old price on it and expect to get it. So again, that brings us back to having a good market analysis done.
That's the benefit of a good realtor.
Right. Now, speaking of good realtors, the relentless agents, I want to tell you what we've accomplished at our own office here.
Let's hear it.
So I've been talking about listings are flat or down. Well, at our own office here, our listings taken first 6 months of the year are up 15%.
Oh, wow.
So I was thrilled to come upon that statistic today, and I want to say thank you to everybody at the office, all the relentless agents who worked so hard to achieve that. On the sales side, number of transactions completed in the first 6 months, we are up 21%.
Wow, just our office.
Just our office over last year.
That's incredible.
And dollar volume, we are up 25% in dollar volume over 2017. So, again, kudos to all the agents at our office and the staff that supports them and doing a great job.
Sure. But there's a message that I guess can be derived from that information for anyone that's out there watching.
Absolutely. If you're in the real estate business right now, you're a licensed agent, and you want to see more business, increased production, more money in your pocket, come and talk to me about what our stats have done so far this year, and I'd like to share that with you and hopefully have you become a part of it.
Sure. You can see how that translates into their own business.
Absolutely.
Great. Well, thank you so much again. It's always a pleasure to go over what's happening in the Mankato market, and we'll see you next month.
All right.
Thanks.
If you've ever considered a career in real estate, we'd love to visit with you. We love the self-starters, the doers, the midnight oil burners, the busy bees, and the workhorses. We love people who think complacency is a strange and foreign word. The people who give 121% and don't understand why others don't. They're not fine with fine. They're not okay with okay. They're not good with good enough. They go all in and then some more. That's who we love, and that's exactly who we want to join our team. Here's a quick video to show you who we are and where we're going.
There are those who accept average, okay, and just all right. And there are those who crush mediocrity with everything they do. They are the change agents. They're on a never-ending quest for the best, setting the new standard for others to follow. And 45 years ago, a real estate company was born out of this mindset. Created for the sole purpose of galvanizing entrepreneurs, giving self-starters a real place to start. We created the first franchise model in the industry. We led with innovation, thought leadership, winning results. And we blazed a path for the men and women in gold and the people who called them broker. But then, the sea of sameness rolled in, copycats started copying. And when online brokerages came into being, some actually thought we were being replaced by an MLS listing, a posting, an app. And pardon our French, but that's bull. We know that we've always added and will continue to add value to a part of the process that will never be replaced by an app. And we aren't talking about just hustle. We aren't talking about having the most people. No, we are about the best people. We want the smart, the bold, and the fast. We want the change agents, whose changes aren't incremental, they're monumental. We seek those who will help us reignite the flame by working with a new collaborative network of leaders who inspire us, facing real customer issues instead of wishing them away. Embracing what if as opposed to what has been done before, and living by the highest standards with a level of honesty and accountability not found in our industry today. Together, we will give it 121%. This is no side hustle, this is the main event. To show the world that when it comes to this business, there is only one.
You ain't seen nothing like this.
Well, that's all for this week. Be sure to like, comment, and share to be entered for your chance to win that bowling party to the Wow Zone in Mankato.
And if you're considering selling your home or just starting your home search, give us a call and we'll connect you with one of our relentless agents.
Be sure to tune in next week as we sit down with one of those relentless agents to go over their latest listings.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.